Yo, what's up everyone? On this video I'll be teaching how to make a logo for your YouTube channel or your business. Let's get into the video. So the first step is you want to go to www.designevo.com and press the button that you want to make your logo. Actually it's on the screen now. You wanna search the templates, what kind of design you want. So on my purpose it will be futuristic and technological, so I go to futuristic, and there are a lot of logos on this futuristic session, and I found a logo and you could customize it, or you could find a similar one which is really helpful. So that's why I always recommend this website. And let me try one. Okay, I found one and press the customize button and go into a new tab, and oh, that's sweet. Okay, so you wanna add a logo name, you could do anything. So company name, I usually don't like big fonts, but I select a new font called madewithfilmora. I can't read that. Okay, so double tap it, so you could write anything you want. On my person, it's my YouTube channel name. Subscribe, and okay, remove that one. And okay, what kind of font should I add? Come on, delete. Okay, it deleted. Okay, for your mind. Okay, seems like a good one, I guess. So for your mind. Okay, and let me pick the picture and another color. I'm adding a new color to the picture. Okay, I think I'm kinda good. And you want to go to shapes, and you could add anything. A shape, you could add anything. There are a lot of stuff that you could add, circles, anything you like, banners. You could add a lot of banners. Let me add one. Oh, that's big. I thought that was a small one. Okay. Okay, you could add effects to it. So yeah, you could change the color of the banner and your background, and you could add stickers or icons. A lion. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think I don't need a lion. Oh, that's the Sri Lankan lion. There was one Sri Lankan lion with a sword on it. Let me remove that thing. Okay, so this is the hack. So if you press download, you need to pay money, $24 for a picture. I don't care. So this is the ultimate hack that will teach you. Firstly, you want to get a screenshot of your photo. And okay, and I took a screenshot, and you go to your picture, and there's my picture. So you want to go to edit and create, and you want to trim it. Okay, trim it like that. Okay, that's a good one. So save a copy. Okay, so everyone, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and do you have any questions, leave down on the comments, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.